Here is Martin Yan of Yan Can Cook, wishing everyone a happy Chinese New Year. 恭喜發財. Coco's all excited too. It is the year of the dog. Red is the color of New Year, and this is the time that we all see a red in all Chinese communities around the world. The Lunar New Year is also called the Spring Festival. Trust me, it is the biggest holiday. For us Chinese, instead of one-day celebration, the celebration stretched to up to 2 weeks. This is also the season for gift giving. And did I mention food, food, and food? This is the time to celebrate kinship and friendship. They say, you are what you eat. Eat food that is rich in symbolism, and you're set for the coming year. For instance, pomelo, fish, is full of symbolism. It means abundance of good luck and good fortune. Don't have a fish recipe or pomelo handy? Hey, no problem. That is why I am here at KQED and PBS Food